So it has now come to this that Igbos will now be tripping in with their masquerade in Ghana. And the shock is that the man opened his mouth, opened that his gutter mouth, and said a lot of them are coming. Are we safe as a country that another man from another country will be now imposing their culture in us? What is all this? What is going on in Ghana? If Ghana has been sold to foreigners, if Ghana has been sold to the Igbos, let us know as citizens so that we can pick our bag and baggage and we will leave this country. Do we have leaders in this country? In this period of time, must we be experience this? Must the Igbos be forcing their culture on us as Ghanaians? Already we are facing Igbo Olosho in Ghana, which we haven't dealt with it yet. We are already facing kidnappers in this country, which we haven't dealt with it yet. Now, Igbo masquerades. Igbo masquerades. What is going on in this country?
Another wahala again, no guys. You won't believe that Igbo people brought their masquerade from Nigeria to display on the streets of Accra, Ghana. You know, they are out there begging for money. Chai! What my eyes have seen, my mouth cannot comprehend. Oh, guys, let's take a look at the video and I will be right back.
Each one, their names. All right? You don't just start film them, record them, and you appreciate them. All right? The more you appreciate them, it gives them more energy and it motivates them the more to display more and more and more. Many of them are still on the way coming. Many of them are still on the way coming. So please, as you are enjoying yourself, filming them, always try by all means at least to appreciate them. Whatever you have, you know, you can appreciate them.
People, everywhere good. Aww. So it has now come to this. It has now come to this that Igbos will now be tripping in with their masquerade in Ghana. And ladies and gentlemen, the shock is that the man opened his mouth, opened that his gutter mouth, and said a lot of them are coming. Are we safe as a country? Are we safe as a country that another man from another country will be now imposing their culture in us? Will be now imposing their culture on us. What is all this? What is all this? What is going on in Ghana? If Ghana has been sold to foreigners, if Ghana has been sold to the Igbos, let us know as citizens so that we can pick our bag and baggage and we will leave this country. Do we have leaders in this country? In this period of time, must we be experience this? Must the Igbos be forcing their culture on us as Ghanaians? Already we are facing Igbo Olosho in Ghana, which we haven't dealt with it yet. We are already facing kidnappers in this country, which we haven't dealt with it yet. Now, Igbo masquerades. Igbo masquerades. What is going on in this country? Are we safe? Are we now safe in this country? Things that we cannot do in even Lagos. Lagos is pulling down Igbos, their houses in Lagos. Which they are all of them, their mouth is now they are forcing themselves, they are putting themselves What is happening? I am ashamed as a Ghanaian. I am very, very ashamed. And look at what the man opened that his gutter mouth and said. The masquerade, they have more that is coming. Ghana is small. Ghana is small to contain a lot of people from foreigners from Igbo land. We cannot live with the Igbos here. Don't we have leaders? What is this country turning into? I am ashamed of our kind of leaders that we have. I am ashamed of the kind of immigrations that we have. Yes. Yes. Still power to the Yash. And if this thing continues, Nigerians has done it again.
What will be your name? Tell me what happened. Talk louder.
My name is Miracle.
Miracle who?
Oshoke Miracle. That's her name.
Oshoke Miracle. What happened to Doke, that electronic engineer? Talk louder.
I will come collect bag.
A bag? How much is inside the bag? 450,000. What do you cut a hit head?
I will take it here.
Now would you take it here?
I will take it here.
You are who?
Me and my second.
Everywhere good. So this Nigerian Bolabet, who is called Miracle, as Miracle is used in the church, as everybody is expecting miracle from God. This miracle is one of the most Nigerian Bolabet. Miracle and his friend Abacha now monitor one radio mechanic in Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, this radio mechanic wife was pregnant and is going to deliver. Ladies and gentlemen, now the radio mechanic came back home to pick money so that he can go to the hospital and check on the wife so he can pay those expenditures at the hospital. Ladies and gentlemen, Miracle and his friend now collected his bag from his hand, which contained 450,000 naira. Ladies and gentlemen, after that, when the radio mechanic noticed Miracle, said, "Hey, Miracle, now you be this." Miracle now carry a big stick. Hit the radio mechanic head. Bosa. By the radio mechanic. Ladies and gentlemen, there one security guy now spotted the incident and now he arrested Miracle. Ladies and gentlemen, so when we are telling you about Nigerians, as we dey talk am, we dey show evidence. As we dey talk am, we dey show evidence. So Ghana, they mumu yourself already. Nigerians are calling us mumu. Ghanaians they mumu. Why we not go mumu? As the next president, I am giving you evidence, and you know they won't listen, and you're still doing what you want to do in this country because you are leaders. You want to do what pleases you, but not what pleases the citizens. We all there inside. When it happened, the leaders, they carry passport when they go to from the country. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are Ghanaian and you will not stand up for your country, then I have nothing to do as a next president. I am doing my side, you two should do your side. Yes, still power to the Nyash.
All the thing well now don't loot. These are the problem of filling station. They go collect fuel after they fill their jerry can. Over 200 liters, they go use cutlass. Whip the person wey sell fuel for them.
My people. Everywhere. Good. Nigerians. Nigerians. Again. So, these two Nigerian polar bears, ladies and gentlemen, they for go school. They no green. Go school. They for learn hand work. They no green. Learn hand work. Now so thief. They say they go the thief. So these two polar bears have taken upon themselves to steal, to thief from filling station. Ladies and gentlemen, in a day, they can go and thief from filling station over 15 filling stations in a day. And this is their strategy. They go in with drums, and after you have filled their gallon and you ask them to pay you the money, you hear one go shout from the back, and he go say, "Brosie." If you ask for money, you see this catras, for your leg. Now, the other one to go shout, join. He go to say, "Brosie." You see this catras, if you mistake, now for your head, now that fuel put for the akeke inside and tuama, they go run away. This thing has been going on unabatedly. Now, community now mobilize the youth and they caught them red-handed. Ladies and gentlemen, they nearly tied them under the intervention of these military men who they have taken them to the Nigerian police. Ladies and gentlemen, as I heard the news, the team pay me. I said, military men, why una for serve this baller goose? This baller goose should by now be in the mortuary. Yes, mortuary. Yes. Power to the Yash.
Nothing good has ever come out from Ghana.
I go do Thanksgiving for this matter.
Ever come out from Ghana. The biggest streamer is from Nigeria. The best footballers are from Nigeria. The best musicians are from Nigeria. Ghana, what have you achieved?
Is that all the achievement? If you want to list all the achievements. Have you forgotten that the best Olosho headquarters are also from Nigeria? Yes, and also the best organ harvesters are also from Nigeria. And also the best kidnappers are also from Nigeria. And also the best drug dealers are also from Nigeria. Have you forgotten that one? Or you don't be ashamed of that one? Adam. Uncle just Adam, so they go complete. You are ashamed of that one. And best money rituals are from Nigeria. Trafficking are also from Nigeria. So say the achievement go complete. Yes, Ghana, we don't get anything. We haven't achieved anything. But Adam, so everybody go know say Nigerian. This is how you people una be. And the best country, every country rejecting your passport are also from Nigeria.
What was you now?
If you want to do this, do them well. So people go trust you, say you they walk. Because
What was you now?
Streamer, footballer, blah, 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 blah. What happened to the rest? What happened to the criminalities? The best crime country award are for Nigerians.
What was you now?
Not now I join. Hey, Adam. Adi Yahoo, join. Adi Olocho, join. Why you the minus arm? Why you the minus arm? You the minus that one for who?
This is how we play.
Unto.
What was you now?
Yes, and as a Nash president, I've added all. So now your list is complete.
What was you now?
Yes, still power to the Nash.
What was you now?
I hear him again. Add those awards, make them give you certificates. Add those awards, make them give you certificates.
What was you now?
Get off of my face.
What was you now?